Okay, so I got some soil here that I just put in this a few days ago, and I just watered it with water, and now I'm gonna drop these. Shout out to Psalms 146 Home and Garden, who sent me an abundance of seeds, and I just found them because I couldn't find them, and I found them, so I'm gonna put them in each four of those squares and let y'all know the progress on how it's doing. Okay. All right. Let me show you. Okay. Oh no. Because somebody finna be extra loud, y'all. Hold on. Extra. Okay, so come on, little seeds. Okay, so three of them came out. So I'm gonna put one in each square and press it down. Okay. That one's in. Well, that's not even a full one. Something kind of ate that. So we push that one down. We'll put this one on that side. See? We press that one down. All right. All of them are planted. And then I'll let y'all know the progress. That's how you plant. Hold on. Red okra. Shout out to M.I. Gardner. This came from Psalms 146 Home and Garden.